Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Apollo Pharmacy coupon codes. You just come to the website, okay? And this is the pharmacy we're browsing through. What you want to actually do is just add any item to the cart. So let's say this one right here, Apollo Pharmacy Smart Blood Glucose Monitoring, this one right here. We'll click on add and you can choose your quantity. You can edit that later as well. But now what you want to do is click here on view cart, and of course you can adjust the quantity, but the main thing you want to do is here at the top you'll see apply coupon. Now to actually apply coupon you need to be logged in, okay? So you click here on this to apply coupon, log in, right? Enter your mobile number to log in. They'll send you a one-time password by SMS and WhatsApp. You confirm that and you'll be logged in. You can just apply a coupon right here and proceed to check out by paying, okay? Really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.